Hi, I'm April with WTI.
And I am absolutely in love with this paraffin wax kit from BUMPLYBEE. This is the cutest kit, I swear. It comes with everything that you need. The instruction manual is great. A wonderful clipper set to take care of your cuticles. The wax smells amazing. I went with the ginger set. There's a guard to make sure that you keep yourself safe. I especially like this cinching mechanism here and how you can make it as loose or tight as you want so that the gloves stay on very nice as you relax. These protective warm mittens are so comfortable. They are so soft inside and out. The material is amazing. This wax is so warm. I absolutely love the temperature at the suggestion rate that it is, but please make sure that you test it yourself before actually submersing your hand, foot, or elbow to make sure it is at a comfortable temperature for you. This was definitely a good decision for pampering myself, and I think it would be a wonderful gift for anyone.
And that's my point of view.